pants are not just the best fit for gym, but also for work and any casual outing. I mean, you can wear these pants for workout, for office, for casual outings, whether it is going to the club or a cafe, for trekking. Yes, I mean, it's like an all-in-one pant. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing well and are also in good health and wealth. Today's video is about me reviewing the 3 best pants that I found on Amazon. Amazon and Meesho are such shopping apps that you have to like deep dive and find the best products that suits your body type. But once you do, there is no going back. So I found these 3 pants which I'm going to review today. And when I first purchased it, like I'm very skeptical when it comes to purchasing any pants because I have a pear-shaped body, and the problem is that sometimes the pants, they fit right near my thighs, but then they're loose near my waist and near my tummy. But if they're perfect near my tummy and my waist, it is loose near my thighs and then near my ankles. So I need to find pants that are perfect for my body proportion, and these were like Chummeshwari. And when I say Chummeshwari, I literally mean Chummeshwari. So these 3 pants, I have like, the first one that I purchased was black skinny pant. This one I'm definitely going to wear and show it to you all how body hugging and how perfect this is. I can't believe मैं एक पैंट की इतनी तारीफ कर रही हूँ, but that's how it is. जब कुछ पसंद आता है तो then there is no going back from that. So this is the first pant. This is black skinny pant, and this is made of, I think, majority polyester and some cotton. I think that's the best, guys. When it comes to a pant which is a mix of polyester and cotton, you know it is for the long run, because तुम कितना ही बार पहनो, it will always look new. Now this pant, I purchased it when I started going to the gym, which was I think 6 months before, December, okay, and तब से लेके अब तक नया का नया है. I mean, just look at this. The quality, it is not even loose. We want to ensure that there's no camel toe, but you need to buy the perfect size. So now my body type, as for my body type, for the pants, I usually prefer somewhere between L or XL. So this is the first pant I'll wear and I'll show it to you guys. The second pant I purchased is this military green boot cut pants from the same brand. Okay, from the same brand. This brand, its name is Rock Paper and Scissors. Okay, and this is the second pant. मुझे ये pant इतना अच्छा लगा कि I was like, you know what, I need to buy another pant, and I went ahead and I purchased this pant. This like goes good with any black, white outfit, like good color combinations and everything. And this is like perfectly flared at the bottom, and the shine is too good. Again, same review what I said about this pant. This is the same one. And the third one is again black pant. Please don't ask me why I keep buying black outfit. It's like I just can't get rid of it. One day my mom is going to throw me out. She's like, कितने काले कपड़े हैं घर पे? But I'm like, it's style, it's fashion. You won't understand. But yeah, this is another one. This is again same boot cut I took. So the first one was skinny black pants, and this is boot cut. Again, very stretchable, very comfortable. Now I'm gonna wear these pants with different outfits: gym wear, casual wear, and work wear. And I'm gonna show you guys how it is the perfect combination. And then you guys are gonna believe me that you can wear it anytime, anywhere. So without any further delay, let's get started.
So the first one is the black bootcut pants, and look how perfectly body hugging it is. It enhances my curves, and definitely there is no camel toe. The drawback is it has side pockets. I mean, it's very risky when it comes to keeping mobile and everything, but it's pretty stretchable. It fits your body perfectly, and yeah, this is how it looks. My height is 5'6", so it's perfect in terms of length. People who are a bit taller, it might be slightly shorter, and people who are a bit shorter, it might be a bit lengthy. Here I've paired it up with my formal shirt. It's perfect for office wear. If you're going out for some meeting or anything like that, it's the perfect pant. It's definitely a must buy. Next on the list we have our military green bootcut pant. I've paired it up with my crop top, and these colors are the best combination. Like with military green, you can pair it up with white or black or any other color combination which will suit. I have also paired it up with my formal white shirt. You can also pair it up with a black shirt. And of course, these pants are the perfect gym wear. You can do stretching, you can do all types of workout, and these pants will definitely sustain. Look at me doing squats just to prove you guys. And last we have on the list is the skinny black pant, which is similar to the black bootcut pant that I showed you guys earlier. You can pair it up with a casual top as well as a formal top, just like this. Why is the video blur? Oh my god. I'm so sorry guys. I had no idea. Just please bear with me, okay? And lastly, we have this gym outfit. Perfect for gym, perfect for work, perfect for casual outings, all in one.
So that was my fashion show on all the 3 pants. Perfect for workwear, gym wear and casual outing. These are all budget friendly. The first one, the black one, when I had purchased it, I remember some sale or something was going on Amazon, so I think I got it around 500 or 600. Right now I just checked the prices for all the 3 pants and it's below 1000, somewhere ranging between 600 to 800. So yes, you can purchase that, it's pretty reasonable. If not, you can definitely wait for some sale which keeps happening frequently on Amazon, and you can then buy it, not a problem. And yes, please let me know in the comments if you all found this video helpful. If you all did, you all know what to do. Like, share, comment and subscribe so that I can keep making more videos. And also let me know in the comments if there are any suggestions, if you want me to cover any topic, anything at all. I'll definitely be happy to do so. So yes, see you all next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.